Welcome to Tammy's Maths. Miscellaneous question, and it is limits. It's limits. Limits also you're very familiar only because it's all the standard limits applied, like limit sin x by x, x tending to 0, limit tan x by x, x tending to 0, limit of 1 plus x whole power 1 by x, x tending to 0. Those are the limits, standard limits. So we apply the standard limits and get the answer. But to bring it to standard limit, that is something we have to think about. So all I am going to do in this question is, whenever I teach, I always sing also. Whatever I have here, the same should come here to make the limit 1. Simple, simple, ordinary. Whatever comes over here, the same has to come here to make the limit 1. It's not 0 by 0 formula will give you 1. For example, when I supply limit, it takes 0 by 0 form only, but is this limit 1? No, not at all. Why? Whatever I have in this place, same should come here to make the limit 1. So I have to have a 2 here, 2 here. I have to have a 2 here, isn't it? So this limit will be 1. So the limit will become 2. So this is what I am going to apply, where each one of us, we know it. And it's like, what can I say? It's like very fundamental. But fundamental has to be very strong. Now we will see. You can apply L'Hospitals for this, but this is x power 4. So when you start L'Hospital, what is that is the base. You go on, the basic thought is you go on differentiating to get the arrival of the answer. Whenever you deal with question with a power n over there, that n has to be reduced to get the answer. So you have to just narrow it down. That's what you should do. So you can do L'Hospital, but it will be very laborious. You can try it if you want. I'm not doing that. So this is limit. What is 1 minus cos x? Fine. Now look here. 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 theta now. This should be here. Now this is 2 cos 2 theta. This is theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta. This is 2 sine square. This is theta. So this is 2 sine square. Whatever you have here, same thing should come to make the limit 1. So this is limit. X is tending to 0. This is sine square x by 2. But this is also sine square. So I have here I put it down. So I place it here also. So this will be now. This will be now. This 2 here. This is limit. Here you can take outside now. X tending to 0. This limit is 1 because it is sine x square by 2 sine square x by 2. Sine square x by 2 sine square x by 2. Another sine square x by 2 sine square x by 2. If you want I can give it, or I can write it like this. Correct? And this will be. So my next step will be two. This limit is 1, so I can, it's multiple only, no? So I can replace it by 1. Or you can continue it and the last you can replace it by 1. This will be sine x by 2 whole power 4 by sine power, x power 4. Whatever you have here, the same should come to make the limit 1. So what you have here, x by 2 whole power 4. So this is 16 now, into 16. So this limit will be 1 now. So 2 by 16. That is 1 by 8. So you have the answer is 1 by 8. That's the answer. So it is very simple logic. It looks laborious, but L hospital will be laborious. So make a note of this. Very simple question. Work it, practice it. We will meet with more questions in the next video.